Hi everyone. Introducing the Harley-Davidson Fat Boy Custom by Thunderbike, a true embodiment of raw power, style, and attitude, aptly named the Black Bull. This beastly machine doesn't just ride, it dominates the road with an unrelenting presence, turning heads wherever it goes. From its sleek, blacked-out exterior to the masterfully crafted components, everything about this fat boy screams authority. Thunderbike has taken this iconic Harley and transformed it into something even more special, giving it a look and feel that sets it apart from the crowd. It's not just about riding a motorcycle, it's about making a statement. The essence of the Black Bull begins with its bold, muscular stance. Almost every part of this machine has been powder-coated in a rich, deep black, adding to its aggressive appearance. Each detail has been meticulously considered, from the hand machine parts to the unique rims that command attention. The rear fender, made from sturdy steel, combined with the custom front fender, gives the Black Bull a compact, streamlined look. It's a bike that stands tall in both power and design, maintaining a masculine edge that perfectly complements its name. What truly makes this machine a standout is how everything works in harmony. The blackened aesthetic is not just for show, it amplifies the engineering precision behind it. The rims are a work of art in themselves, serving not only as a functional component but also as a bold design statement. When combined with the minimalist solo seat from Thunderbike, the overall silhouette becomes tighter and more aggressive, embodying the spirit of a predator ready to strike. The powerful heart of this machine is complemented by the custom Dr. Jekill and Mr. Hyde exhaust system, offering the rider full control over sound and performance. Whether you're looking for a deep, rumbling growl or a more refined tone, this system delivers. Thunderbike's attention to detail doesn't stop there. The entire bike is decked out with exclusive parts like the airbox cover, timer cover, and ignition coil relocation kit. These elements not only enhance the Black Bull's performance but also contribute to its unique look. The front and rear axle covers, along with the Swingarm axle covers, add another layer of customization. Thunderbike has also outfitted the bike with their signature side mount license plate bracket, keeping the lines clean and uncluttered. Every component has been chosen for its ability to enhance the bike's overall design without compromising on functionality. Up front, the Hollywood light handlebar paired with the riser kit ensures that the rider feels in complete command. This is further enhanced by the front fork lowering kit, giving the bike a lower, more aggressive stance. And let's not forget the front turn signals. Thunderbike's sleek stripe LED lights add a modern touch while maintaining the bike's tough, no-nonsense aesthetic. In short, the Harley-Davidson Fat Boy Custom by Thunderbike Black Bull has been tailored for those who crave not just performance but a true expression of power and individuality. From the custom fenders to the high-performance exhaust, every detail has been carefully thought out to create a machine that is more than just a motorcycle. It's a statement on two wheels, a reflection of strength, style, and attitude. Whether cruising down the highway or making an appearance at a bike show, this fat boy will always leave an unforgettable impression. List of custom parts: solo seat Thunderbike, timer cover, airbox cover, ignition coil relocation kit, axle covers, Swingarm axle covers, derby cover, side mount license plate bracket, toppers, grips, front turn signals stripe LED, handlebar Hollywood light, riser kit, front fork lowering kit, front and rear fender, exhaust Dr. Jekill and Mr. Hyde. Prepare yourself for an unparalleled riding experience with the Black Bull, a Harley that doesn't just follow the road, it commands it. Thanks for watching.